Welcome back to the Auto Intuitive. We're in a 2024 Mazda CX-30 and I need to reset the maintenance light. Ignore the tire pressure light. So we're going to use this controller down here. I'm going to hit the home button, and so we're going to go into the screen and I'm going to hit information and then vehicle status monitor. And then even if I hit, interval approaching, it doesn't give me another menu, but I need to go down to, it says here, remaining service, next service in 600 miles, but I've been told that this vehicle has had its service done. So we're going to go to vehicle maintenance settings, and then we're going to go down and reset oil change distance. So oil change distance reset. And now if we go back, and I click the home button to get us out of the whole thing, and you can see up here the light is gone. Now all we have is a tire pressure. Haha. I hope that was educational. Auto Intuitive out 2024 Mazda CX-30 oil change interval reset.